Good day, I'm Ken Juban Krita. Today, I will discuss the pressure phase effect and its impact on the stability of a vessel. Pressure phase effect occurs when a liquid inside a tank or compartment is partially filled, allowing it to move freely as the ship moves. When the ship rolls or tilts, the liquid inside also shifts to one side. This movement causes the center of gravity to shift, making the vessel less stable. Because of the pressure phase effect, the ship becomes less stable. It takes longer to return to an upright position. There is a higher risk of capsizing. For example, imagine a half-filled tank of water. When the ship tilts, the water flows to one side, increasing the tilt and reducing stability. To reduce this effect, keep tanks completely full or empty. Use divisions or compartments inside tanks. Avoid carrying liquids in partially filled tanks. In conclusion, pressure phase effect is dangerous because it reduces a ship's stability. Proper handling of liquid cargo is important to ensure safety at sea.